Hi guys, welcome back. We're now going to look at a new area, and that is how you make a change to the summary section of the order form. Now, I am now on the summary page and looking at the summary. Previously, if you wanted to make a change from here, you had to go back to the order form and make a change there, but I've added in the ability now to make a change directly to the summary. So if you look here, this is an example of a summary page, and I'm going to zoom in here. You can see on this top ribbon there are some changes you can make. For example, let's say this item here where we have 15. If I want to add one more, if I press this button up here, you'll notice that has now become 16 and one has just been added. You can be anywhere on this line to make this change. Similarly, you can also add 3 or add 6. Now the other thing you can also do is manually change it. So if you were here, you would manually change it to, say, 25. And you'll see it goes yellow, and that means you need to press the manual button afterwards, which is up here where the cursor is. You've got to be on the line when you do that, manual. But don't worry, you won't forget to do that, because the system won't allow you to submit an order if any of these quantities are still in yellow. So the easiest thing to do though is just to use these buttons to add 1 or 3 or 6. You can also put the minimum number if that's what you want to do. Now, two other options you've got here is you could remove the item. Let's say here I want to remove this item. I'll just press up here, remove item. And it gives me a chance to confirm that I want to remove the item. Tells me what the code is and tells me what the item that I'm about to remove. And I can say yes, I want to remove that. And that item is now gone. Now, one other option you have here is go to, and that is this last button up here. So I could be on an item and maybe I want to go to that item because I either want to add a comment or I want to add in a no charge item, or maybe I want to go to that item because I know, and let's go to that item now, I know that there's another one near there, like this item above, that I also want to order 3 of. So that's also a handy feature where you can just go directly to where that item is on the order form. You can be anywhere on a line when you press any of these buttons here. And this bar at the top stays there, like the bar does on the previous page on the order form. That will always be at the top of the page. And that is how you make a change from the summary of the order form.